Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today, friends, I will be showing you how to make this tasty lamb bhindi. So I have washed bhindi here and I'm now going to chop it. Now I'm going to put some oil inside the pan and fry them up. Fry on medium flame. When all the stickiness disappears, then our bhindi is fried. The stickiness is all gone. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt, mix well and then take it out. In this pressure cooker I have 1 kg lamb and I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Two chopped onions, two chopped tomatoes, one tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and half tablespoon salt. Put the lid on and cook for 5 minutes. It's now cooked, so now I'm going to put it inside a different pan. Cook until the water evaporates. All the water has evaporated. Now I'm going to add some oil. The spices are 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1/4 tablespoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon cumin and coriander powder. Add the spices. The lamb is nicely cooked and there's a beautiful color. Now I'm going to add my fried bhindi. Put the lid on and cook for 1 minute, and then the bhindi lamb is ready. I've dished it out and it looks incredible. I can't wait to eat it, and I hope you guys also try it and see if you like it. And if you do try it, make sure you take a picture and tag us on our social media. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe for more videos.